everyone, welcome to our educational channel on the topic of the acid and the bases. In this video, we will explore the fundamental concepts of the acid and the bases, their properties and their importance in the various fields. So let's dive to right in.
Acids? What are acids?
Bases? What are bases? Can you explain us?
Yes, I will explain you. Acid are the substances that release hydrogen ions when dissolved in the water, while bases are the substances that release hydroxide ions when dissolved in the water. Acid have many characteristics, like they taste sour, turn blue litmus paper into the red, and have a pH value less than 7. While bases taste bitter, turn red litmus paper into blue, and have a pH value greater than 7. Okay?
Yes. Example of acids and bases. Acids and bases are present in our daily life and we encounter them regularly. Some common example of acid includes vinegar, baking soda and lemon. While bases are found in substances like soap. It is important to note that not all acid and bases are harmful or dangerous. In fact, some are used for biological processes and industrial applications.
Acid and base reaction. When acid or base come in contact with each other, they come in a form of acid-base reaction. This reaction, acid and base reaction. When acid or base come in contact, they are called acid-base reaction. This reaction come in a form of salt and water. This reaction is often usually used to neutralization. Let's consider an example of acid-base reaction. When hydrochloric acid HCl come in contact with sodium hydroxide NaCl, they come in a form of sodium chloride NaOH and water H2O. HCl plus NaCl equals to NaOH and H2O. Do you understand?
Yes. Now let's talk about the pH paper. Okay. Do you know what is the pH scale?
No?
Okay, I will explain you first, then I will show you live demonstration. First, pH scale is the measurement of acidity and the basicity. It ranges 0 to 10.5, with being 7 considered neutral. Acid in this pH paper, values below 7 considered basicity and the values above 7 considered the acidity. So, I will show you the live demonstration. Now, let's talk about the pH scale.
pH value? What is pH value?
Okay, I will explain you. pH scale is a measure of acidity and the basicity. It ranges 0 to 10.5, with being 7 considered neutral. 0 to 7 considered acidity and 7 to 10.5 considered basicity. Now we will experiment this.
And now what's this?
This is the soap solution. In this I will dip the pH paper. Now see, this turns into the blue, dark blue. Dark blue color shows us the 10.5, means in this base will be there. Okay?
Yes.
Now we will experiment with lemon juice. This is the lemon juice. I will dip the pH paper into the lemon juice. It shows us pink color, and pink color considered as a 2, means in lemon juice acid will be present. Okay?
Okay. Importance and applications. Acid and bases have a widespread application in different fields. In the laboratory, they are used for chemical analysis and as reagents in experiments. Industries like medicine, agriculture and manufacturing rely on acid and bases for their various processes. Additionally, acids and bases play a vital role in environmental chemistry. They can affect soil pH, aquatic ecosystem, and even the Earth's atmosphere.
Safety precautions. Before we conclude, let's talk about safety precaution. When we are working with acid and base, we must always take care about our safety. When we are working with it, we always wear appropriate protective equipment such as gloves and safety goggles and follow proper handling to prevent accident and minimize environmental action.